So I'm doing a $50 giveaway. All you have to do is like, comment, and subscribe. Put your Venmo and your Zelle, but also fit it in there, your favorite place to go vacation. Where's your favorite vacation spot? What makes you happy? Go ahead and put that in the comment. And yeah, I can't wait for you guys to see the next video. On my next video, I will be zelling the winner. Hi guys, my name's Stephanie Mendoza and this is my channel, Stephanie Mendoza Vlogs. So if you guys already have not subscribed, subscribe now. I'm gonna be taking you through my journey. I am getting my tatas done and a tummy tuck. So I'm excited because I have been waiting for this moment for a very long time. About me is I am 30 years old. I am from Arizona and I'm driving all the way to Pasadena to see Dr. Taneja. And I have seen that he has done like Alondra Desi. I've seen that he's done Jenny 6'9", and I'm super excited to go to this doctor. I waited almost a year just to have my surgery. I just wanted to do a little like, you know, get ready with me, prep with me, kind of see what I'm taking on my trip for my surgery. Hopefully it'll help you guys prepare yourselves for when you guys are ready to do something like that. Now, I am super excited. I cannot believe my surgery is going to be about exactly a week from today. Today is Wednesday, the 30th, and my surgery is September 6th. So it's almost here. I just saw the doctor last week on Saturday, and oh my gosh, he's such a sweetheart. He honestly made me feel so comfortable, and when we got there, you just feel so comfortable. So first things first that I'm going to talk about is pricing. A lot of you guys are asking on Facebook and Instagram, and if you guys don't have me on Instagram or Facebook, it says Stephanie Mendoza, so look me up. Maybe I'll put the link here, I don't know. All right guys, so I'm going to My Look Surgery, and that's where Dr. Taneja is at. And my surgery, like I said, is September 6th on a Wednesday. A lot of people were asking me about pricing because I put a little bit of pictures of, you know, I'm super excited, and I probably will put a picture here with my implants that I'm gonna get. And so the total for everything, consultation fee and everything that I have, is $16,309.50. I did do a $150 consultation fee that we had to do. So I took some pictures, I sent it to him. It was $150 for him to look at it and kind of tell me like, hey, this is what you need or what I recommend. Everybody's stuff is going to be very different because it's tailored to what you're needing, whether you need a lift, whether you want, you know, whatever it is that you need. But for my tummy tuck and for my boobs, that was about what I'm going to be paying for. I know for a fact he's going to be worth it. So I'm so excited to show you guys my whole journey from beginning to end, before and after. Right now, I don't know, you can't tell, but I am a 34D. So I went into the doctor's office, which you'll probably see me walking into the doctor's office and everything. So we went in there super excited, and on Instagram I seen everybody was doing like 500 cc's, 550, 450. But again, this is for the shorter girls. I am 5'9", so I'm tall. And I think that in my head, I was going in with the image of, I'm gonna get 500. I was set on 500. This is what I'm gonna get, but no. I am 5'9". I am taller. For all my tall, beautiful women, it's different for us. So I went in there, he looked at me, and I love that he told me kind of like, this is what you need. He didn't say like, hey, what do you want? He was just like, okay, for your frame, this is what I think would look perfect on you. And he said 700 cc's. So yes, I'm getting 700 cc's. For me, I was like, oh my gosh, this is a lot of cc's. I don't know how I'm gonna look because I'm seeing 500 on Instagram, but he's telling me 700. So I'm a little bit like, oh my gosh, this might be too big for me. But in reality, it's true. The taller you are, the more cc's you would probably need to look like someone who has 500, you know, that's 5'5", and has 450 or 500. So I'm super excited. I trust him, and I understood what he meant. At first he saw I was a little bit like, okay, but he's like, you're getting 700 cc's, high profile gummy bear. So that's what I'm doing on September 6th.
All right, so do the side profile.
700 cc's is what he's telling me that Oh my god, I'm so nervous.
You can tell directions.
My surgery's next week on the 6th. So, you know where I'm going with Dr. Taneja. I can't believe I'm doing it. Looks good. And I'm super excited. The whole process has been really exciting. Meeting him was super exciting. Seeing his work has just been amazing. Like, I totally trust this man with my life. So I'm excited to see how I'm gonna look. It's been a long time since I felt like myself. I was weighing, I hit a little bit of, you know, where I was overweight and I was depressed. I was working a lot. I wasn't really paying attention to myself, but luckily I was able to have a little bit of a vacation for me and work on myself, to keto, everything that I need to do to lose weight to where I want to be now. And so I'm excited because now I'm getting my tummy tuck. You know, I had a baby. He was a big baby. He was actually born at 6 months, and he was full term at 6 months. So he was pretty big and stretched my tummy out more than I would wanted to have stretched. Yeah, he was a big baby, and I want to just fix that. You know, I want to tighten it up a little bit, and then why not, while we're there, put some chi-chis on. So I'm gonna go over a couple things that I got. I'm gonna be prepping because soon here in the next week I'm gonna be getting my surgery. So hopefully I'll drop this video before my surgery, and then I'll do another one after, so you guys can kind of see what's going on. So bear with me. This is my first video making of things that I'm doing with my life, so I'm super excited. Again, my name is Stephanie, and let me show you what I got. All right, so I was looking at YouTube videos, and I had seen a lot of people, which to me, I have ADHD, and if I'm not like all over the place, I'm all over the place. So I had seen that a lot of people got these doggy pads, which I got on Amazon. You can see right there. So I got these on Amazon because I seen that a lot of the girls obviously were staying in Airbnbs, a hotel. You don't want to get their things dirty, you know what I mean? So we got these doggy pads so we can put on the bed, so when you lay down, you don't have to worry about if you're gonna get their stuff dirty. You want to, you know, respect where you're staying since you're staying there. So this is one of the things that I got. I got my grandma chonies. So I got the Always Discreet Boutique because I didn't want to get just the little grandma diapers. So I wanted to be fancy and make it look like real underwear. And I got this one at Walmart. So this will be for, you know, if I'm bleeding, or for your tummy tuck, just for you to be really comfortable. Is because, you know, if you're bleeding, you can just tap it and stuff like that. So I know that was one of the things that we needed to get, was the Band-Aid gauze. Here, alcohol wipes. Big one. Alcohol wipes. Anything that you can to stay and keep clean of whatever you're doing, your breast, whether you're doing your tummy tuck, whether you're doing a BBL, whatever it is, you want to make sure you're always cleaning because you don't want to get any type of infection. And all this I got on Amazon. The last two that I just told you guys. And I got this. My mom actually had gotten a BBL, tummy tuck and a BBL. And I walked in on her and I was like, what is that pink thing? Because to me, I'm like, I don't know what that is. And it was this. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's a pee cup. And it makes total sense because if you have to go pee, if you have a tummy tuck, it's hard to get on, you know, to go to the bathroom and get back up. So if you're in an emergency, you got your little pee cup, you know, put it right there and do what you got to do. This, I'm sure, is going to be a lifesaver. So my mom's like, you need to get this. So I did. Amazon. The number one thing on TikTok, on YouTube, and on Instagram of people recommending things was this surgical tape. So it's a scar tape that you put on your tummy, and it goes from side to side, from your each hip to hip. It's really long, so you cut it exactly to where your scar is at, and it's supposed to help it heal. So this is tested by dermatologists. And for 6 weeks for new scars to start healing, and then for 2 to 4 months for old scars. So this is going to help you in your scarring process. So I'm not sure if you can put them underneath your boob. I know it's more for tummy tucks, but I mean, if it's for scars, maybe if you have a little slit underneath your boob, you can just put a little tiny piece, see if it works. But I got the other one. This is kind of what it looks like right there. And forgive me if I don't say this right, but Habit Cleanse? I'm not sure if I'm saying that right, but I got this. So what this is it's an antiseptic skin cleanser. So it's like a shampoo, surgical body wash, surgical body wash. said it all wrong, but surgical body wash that you use. This is going to be what you're going to be using while you're in your recovery process, because it doesn't have any scents, it doesn't have anything like that. So this is going to be your number one thing that you're going to want to get, and they're going to probably tell you to get it. I got mine at Walmart. So I went to the pharmacy. I was looking around the aisles and I couldn't find it. I was like, oh my god, I was like, ugh, I can't find it, I need help. And they're like, oh, this, you can get this at the pharmacy. So I went to the pharmacy, I asked them, I showed them a picture, and right away they had it in the back and gave it to me. So this, Walmart pharmacy. Now, I also got this arnica gel. Helps to absorb, like if you got bruising or anything like that. With this arnica gel too, a lot of people were recommending me the arnica tea. So I got the arnica tea. My mom-in-law actually went to Mexico. My mom got me this one. Thank you, Mom. And my mom-in-law got me another set that's more, I guess, it's from Mexico. So it works better, and it probably does. So I'm grateful for her. She's going to bring me some from Mexico. So I got the herbal tea from my mom, and my mom-in-law is going to get me some from Mexico. So I got these two things to help me out for inflammation, for any type of bruising and stuff like that. So better be prepared than unprepared at all. I got this thing because your girl's gonna be knocked out. Chi-Chi's out, knocked out. So we're gonna take this on the ride home. I will be leaving probably 4 days after my surgery, and I'm going 6 hours out. So from California to Phoenix, it's 6 hours. So it's gonna be a long ride. I brought this just to be comfortable. So I got my little surgery nightgown thing, which why not? Let's just open it. That we're here. Throw that on the floor. So I got little shorts that are not too tight because of the tummy tuck. And then I am doing this. So you want something that's going to open from the front, because they're going to want to be cleaning you. You're going to be checking yourself. You're going to be wrapped. So it's easy access for them to put it on. When you go to surgery, they'll be able to put it on easier. And it's just makes their life a lot easier, makes your life a lot easier. So taking one of these, I got everything in medium. I'm tall, so I wear mediums, not smalls. You know, if I want to just be in my choninos or my little diaper things. It sounds funny when you say diaper. But this is the nightgown. To be comfortable, it's super stretchy. And inside you can put your drains. So it has pockets inside here. So there's one here and one here. And then there's another two on this side that you can put your drains. So you can put your tummy tuck drains, and you can put your... if you're doing the mommy makeover, you're doing the boobs and the tummy tuck, you can also do it in these two pockets. So this is super cool to have. And then I did buy just like that. Like I said, like if you're wearing this and you just want to be in your underwear and these granny panties, girl, be comfortable, because it's going to be a while you're going to be like that. So I got these. The last thing, and I'm sure I'm missing so much more. So my friend Cassandra gave me a little tip. We went camping and we were talking, and she's like, hey, get a lanyard, because that's where I put mine. And she's like, because you don't want to get them wet. And I was like, oh my god, that's so, you know, I was like, that's smart. You should get that. So I started looking online, and Amazon, honestly, Amazon has everything you need, like anything you need and everything that you need. So instead of getting that, we got this, which you can put over, I believe this one goes over your chest, and you can put your drains in here. And then we got this one that goes on your hip, so hip to hip, and then you put your drains in there. So it's for showering, because you don't want to get it wet. So that was the number one thing she told me. You do not want to get your drains wet. So this is going to be probably one of the things that you really are going to want to get on here, and you're not carrying it everywhere, and it's uncomfortable. So this is so far what I got. So now that we went through everything that I bought, let me know if I'm missing anything. Hopefully this video will be out before my surgery, and if I need to get something, I will totally run and get it, because I want to be the most comfortable that I can be. But I think I might have everything. Oh, what I forgot is I bought, which right here you'll see in here, is I bought a 360 chair. I think it was 190 something on Amazon, that helps you sleep, and it moves you forward so that if you need to get up, it's a little bit easier. So I bought one of those, and then I also bought the little, like, you know, the grandma, I can't think of it right now, a walker. I just remember. It's a walker. It's called a walker. So I got a walker because everybody has a walker. It's easier to get around your house, and you're just, you know, going where you need to go, bathroom, and come back and sit down on your 360 chair. walker. I can't believe I forgot that's what it was. 5 days in California. I'm gonna stay 3 days after my surgery for post-op to see the doctor, and then from there go home. We did do an Airbnb condo, which my mom-in-law will be coming with me to help me with my son, and then also kind of help with, you know, like making food or making sure that I'm okay. My husband will be taking care of me, but we can always use extra hands. So super happy. I'm super happy that she's coming. Thank you for helping us out. I honestly cannot believe I'm doing this. And I think the 700cc number scares me, but I know that my height, I need to get that amount to get the look that I'm going for. So I cannot wait for you guys to go on this journey with me. If you guys have any questions, like feel free to DM me or send me a, you know, a text, or add me on Instagram, however you guys want to do that. And I would love for you guys to, you know, come on with me on this adventure. And it's gonna be a big dramatic life change for me, you know, and I'm really excited. I'm so scared, I'm so nervous. All my friends have been texting me and they're so excited for me. So thank you friends. You guys know who you are. You guys have been the best, and I can't wait to see you guys when I come back. I can't believe this is happening. I can't believe I'm getting it done. All right, so I think that I got everything that I need. I cannot wait for you guys to see the end results, and this is where I say goodbye, friends, and hopefully I'll see you maybe next week. I might be way too out of pocket, like, oh, you know, it might be a week or two before I put the next one up, but I will be recording my whole process, how long, you know, throughout my day and everything like that. So stay tuned, like and subscribe.